Most people work hard every day, but still stay broke without understanding why it happens. The problem is not your income. It is the hidden money rules you never learn. In 2026, if you follow old habits, your money will disappear faster than ever. But if you follow the right rules, money starts growing even while you sleep. Rule number 1 is simple but powerful, and almost everyone ignores it completely. Spend less than you earn, otherwise you are building a life you cannot afford. Many people increase their spending every time their income increases and stay stuck forever. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently destroys your ability to build wealth. Rule number 2 is to always pay yourself first before spending money anywhere else. If you save what is left after spending, you will always have nothing left. Smart people save first automatically and then adjust their lifestyle around remaining money. Rule number 3 is about debt, because not all debt is bad if used wisely. Bad debt takes money from your pocket, while good debt helps you grow your income. Buying liabilities like expensive phones on loans keeps you trapped in a financial loop. But using debt for assets like skills or business can increase your future income. Rule number 4 is simple. Your money must work harder than you do every day. If you only trade time for money, your income will always stay limited and controlled. Real wealth starts when your money generates income, even when you are not working. Rule number 5 says invest early because time is your biggest financial advantage. Even small investments grow into massive wealth if you give them enough time. People who delay investing lose the most powerful factor, which is compound growth over time. Rule number 6 is about tracking, because money disappears when you do not watch it. Every successful person knows exactly where their money goes every single day. If you do not control your money habits will control your entire life. Rule number 7 is about discipline, because consistency matters more than occasional big financial decisions. People fail not because they lack knowledge, but because they cannot stay consistent long enough. Small daily actions like saving and investing build unstoppable momentum over time. Rule number 8 is to avoid emotional decisions, because emotions destroy smart financial thinking. Buying in excitement or panic often leads to losses that could have been avoided easily. Smart investors stay calm and follow logic instead of reacting to every market movement. Rule number 9 is protection, because one mistake can destroy years of financial progress. Always have emergency savings, because unexpected problems can appear without any warning. Without a safety net, even a small problem can force you back into debt again. Rule number 10 is growth, because learning new skills increases your earning power every year. Your biggest investment is yourself, because skills create income faster than any asset. People who stop learning also stop growing financially and stay stuck at the same level. Now combine all these rules and you will see a completely different financial future. These rules are simple but powerful if you actually follow them consistently every day. Most people know these rules, but only a few apply them, and that creates the difference. Your future depends on what you do after watching this video, not just what you understand. If you delay action, nothing changes, and you stay in the same financial position for years. But small action today creates a chain reaction that completely transforms your financial life. Every wealthy person you see today started with simple decisions just like the ones you see here. The difference is not intelligence or luck, but discipline and consistency over a long period. You already know what to do. Now the only question is whether you will actually do it. Because the best time to fix your financial habits was years ago, but the second best is now. If you apply even 3 of these rules, your life will start changing faster than you expect. And once you see results, you will never go back to your old financial habits again. This is how ordinary people slowly become financially strong without any special advantages. They follow simple rules daily and let time and discipline do the heavy work. Now imagine where you could be 1 year from today if you start applying this now. The choice is simple: stay the same, or take control and build the life you want. Because money is not just numbers, it is control over your time, choices, and freedom. And once you understand this, you stop chasing money and start building real freedom. If this helped you, remember these rules and start applying them from today step by step. And subscribe now to keep learning simple money strategies that actually change your life.